Okay, so how do you open an account on USAA Bank? I'm going to tell you how to open an account with USAA Bank, alright? Because USAA is a financial institution that mainly serves military members, veterans, and their eligible families. So you need that connection to qualify. To get started, just go to usaa.com or download the app. Click Join USAA and fill in your details like name, date of birth, address, social, and a valid ID, of course. From there, choose whether you want a checking, savings, or both. Then make your initial deposit by linking a bank account or using a debit card. Once your information is verified, you'll get access to online banking and can order a debit card or checks if you need them. And that's how you open a USAA account. Easy and step by step. Thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe for more useful content.